Okay guys, I'm just going to go ahead and convince myself that everyone watching this video right now is on the same page with me, that the Windows 11 is a beast when it comes to data consumption, and there are so many kind of techniques you need to apply on your PC to kind of slow this thing down, because I don't think Windows 11 officially has a way or a button to just go ahead and press, but I found two of them really interesting and I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So guys, now that we're on our laptop, the first and important setting that I'm going to be wanting us to look at is going to be on our Wi-Fi section. And let's just say we are connected to the internet right now, and we just have to go over to our Wi-Fi section on the bottom right hand side of our desktop screen and then click on it, so we can find the list of Wi-Fi networks available. So on the one that we are connected to at the moment, we're just going to go over to the eye and click on it, and then to open up the properties section on the settings app of your PC. So right in the middle here, it says metered connection and it says some app, but let's just turn on this thing right now. So we're going to just go over here and make sure this is turned on right away. So once you're done turning it on, it says over here some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. So once you connect to another hotspot device, you might have to want to play this trick on that hotspot. So basically this is all we have to do for the first one, but the second one is a bit complicated, but I'm going to try my best to make it as easy as possible. So what we're going to be doing is to disable Windows automatic updates, because I don't know, the Windows 11 for some reason comes with the Windows update automatically installing. So in order to change that, we have to go back to our Windows menu area over here and then type in services. So once you type in services, you should pop up this little app right here. So just go ahead and select it. Boom, it should bring up this window right here. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the end. Just keep scrolling till you get to the end and find in the option that says Windows Update. So we're just going to go ahead and double click on this, and it should bring up this little window here. So there are two basic settings that we have to look at here, that is just, you know, waiting for us on the general tab. And just go ahead and click on this little drop down icon here, and it should bring up this menu. You should just make sure you have this set on manual, not automatic. So if it's on automatic, changes to manual. And then the second thing we have to do is to make sure that this service status is stopped. So as you can see, my one is currently running, so all we just have to do is to press on stop, and once you're done, just press apply and then okay. There's some other extra things you can do on your PC if you want to reduce data consumption. I'm going to put a couple of them on the screen so you can go ahead and search these terms on YouTube or wherever. So yeah, that's it for me guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. You can also subscribe to this channel right now. And with all of that out of the way, I am the Crack Kid Guy, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.